Hello, welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So, ito yung reading natin for Leo. So, this is for year 2024. Ano yung naghihintay sa'yo sa panimula ng year 2024. So, yun ay for January, February, March, April, mga 4 months or first quarter no ng 2024. Please do like and subscribe kung hindi ka pa nakaka-subscribe sa ating channel. And please do comment down below. Kahit po heart lang, smileys, any comment will do. Maraming salamat po. For personal reading, Jing Tarot Reader, kung gusto mo, pwede ka rin magpa-palm reading sa akin. Pero free lang yung palm reading kung mag-avail ka ng crystals, bracelets doon sa akin. TikTok shop, i-search mo na lang Unicorn Princess Tarot doon sa TikTok. Okay? So anyway, for Leo, ano yung naghihintay sa'yo sa first quarter or sa panimula ng year 2024? King of Pentacles, Three of Pentacles, Ace of Pentacles is here. You do have here the Eight of Swords. Bottom of the deck is the Queen of Wands. Okay. So, I feel like you will be stuck. Stuck kasi maaaring may mga bagong opportunities na naghihintay para sa'yo. Pagdating sa career, pagdating sa if you do have a business, I can see increase. Okay? Loyal customers. I can see clients. Yan. If you're self-employed, ganun din. If you're an employee, okay, ikaw ay empleyado, I can see may mga new projects for you, so you will be stuck sa mga gawain na may kinalaman sa pera. You do have here the Queen of Wands. Alam mo, magaling kang magsalita eh. You have to use that, your communication skills. Magaling ka, maaaring hindi mo lang ito na ilalabas, pero pag nailabas mo ito, mas magbe-benefit sa'yo ito. Year 2024, lalo na no, the Three of Pentacles is here, so this is growth. Growth pagdating sa pera. Ngayon, gamitin mo lang yung way mo na pakikipag-communicate kasi tiyak na may growth pagdating sa pera para sa'yo. And with the Magician, nakikita natin na mas mag-i-improve yung skills mo and you have the ability na mas ma-improve din yung mga tao sa paligid mo kasi magaling ka mag-advise. Magaling ka magsabi kung anong dapat gawin, kung paano dapat i-handle ang kanilang finances, kung anong dapat gawin itong mga tao sa paligid mo para matulungan din sila na mag-improve ang kanilang finances. May abilidad ka na makipag-communicate sa kanila ng maayos and maturuan sila. So, i-continue mo lang yon or gamitin mo yon. Magbe-benefit sa'yo yon. Huwag mong akuin lahat ng trabaho. As much as possible with the Ten of Wands, nakikita natin, this is you eh. This is you na inaako mo lahat ng responsibilidad, lahat ng trabaho. If you have a team, no, kailangan pati sila may participation. At makikita mo yung pakikipag-participate mula sa taong ito or sa mga taong ito kung ikaw mismo ang kakausap or magsasalita sa kanila sa kung anong dapat nilang gawin. Lalo na with the Death card, this is you. You should end itong pagbibigay ng trabaho or pagpapagod sa sarili mo kung may mga tao naman na nandyan na kayang tumulong sa'yo. Kailangan mo lang kausapin or maging honest, sabihin sa kanila kung anong dapat gawin nila. Okay? You are actually born a leader. So, gamitin mo yung pagiging leader mo na yon. Kuha tayo ng mga messages pa for Leo para sa dadating na year 2024. Ano ang naghihintay sa'yo? Year 2024, panimula ng year 2024, ano naghihintay para sa mga Leo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Leos, ano mga naghihintay sa mga Leos? para sa panimula ng year 2024. The Lovers is here, the King of Cups. Oh, two people are interested sa'yo. With the Page of Pentacles, one of this person is lalabas lang siya na parang more on material or more on maybe pera-pera lang, ganon. Yung kunwari na motibo nitong taong to. Pero this person with the Six of Swords, I feel like gusto niyang mag-level up. I feel like maybe currently nasa isang relationship pa itong taong to, but eventually makakaalis siya doon sa relationship na yun, and once na makamove on siya, this person with the Emperor will reveal his or herself to you, babae man or lalaki. I-reveal or bigla na lang siya dadating sa buhay mo, and I feel like this person is really wants you, no? Nakakita tayo ng friendly energy dito. If you are in a relationship and you are dealing with a manipulator, you do have here the devil. Pag sinabi nating manipulator, hindi naman ibig sabihin nun masamang tao agad eh. Pwedeng manipulator na kayang-kaya kanyang manipulahin, na kayang-kaya kanyang pasunurin. Yung parang tipong kaya mong gawin lahat para sa kanya. Maaring konting lambing niya lang, ganyan, kaya kanya mapasunod. Ito ay may kinalaman doon sa may mga karelasyon na. For what I can see here, I don't know, I don't see any growth. Kung feeling mo na very very toxic na itong person na to, there are times na minamanipula ka niya, there are times na parang siya na lang lagi nasusunod, and then parang wala ka nang parang, hindi na okay. There's a lot of people who wants to have you. Okay? And nandyan pa rin sila. May mga paparating pa na may gusto sa'yo or magkakagusto sa'yo, at meron pang mga past person na hanggang ngayon may gusto sa'yo. You have to let go of this person with the Ten of Swords para yun doon sa mga magkakarelasyon. Pero doon sa iba, there's these two people, and someone here is dadating from a karmic relationship, and i-reveal niya yung sarili niya para sa'yo. And it is because ikaw naman talaga yung gusto niya. And then the karmic person, wala na siyang pakialam doon. Okay? So, anyway, let's get more cards for you. For Leo. For single, para sa mga single Leo, yeah, a lot of people is coming. Pagdating sa love, I don't know, sobrang ang daming tao na-attract talaga sa'yo, whether ikaw ay nasa relasyon na, whether you are single or whatever, ang daming na-attract sa'yo. For Leo, for the first quarter of 2024, please. Spirit guides, angel guides for Leo. Page of Cups is here. The Sun. Six of Pentacles and Queen of Swords. For some of you, malaki ang chance ng pagta-travel. Can be malayo or pagta-travel na by car, Pwede rin namang malayuan by plane. But anyway, I can see high chance of pagta-travel. I can see happiness because with the Page of Cups, there's a conversation na makakapagpasaya sa'yo. Maybe there's a good news na ibabalita sa'yo nitong taong ito, and ito yung magbibigay ng kasayahan para sa'yo. I can see with the Six of Pentacles, this is gastos, so maraming gastusin in the near future. Maybe may kinalaman yon sa mga gusto mong bilhin or mga, yeah, I can see you shopping, buying a lot of things, clothes for yourself. You deserve it. You deserve it. Pinaghirapan mo yon. And with the Queen of Swords, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius energy, yung iba sa inyo may mga new looks na gagawin this 2024. Yun yung magiging dahilan actually. If you start to love yourself, give everything for yourself, nakikita natin na may mga love na maa-attract ka dahil dito. Okay? And nakikita natin na more on pagmamahal sa sarili yung gagawin mo sa first months ng 2024. Health, pagdating sa health, maganda dahil yan, kung ano yung mas magiging mas healthy para sa'yo ay gagawin mo ito. Yung iba pwedeng may pagda-diet, may pagtatanggal ng mga bisyo, yan, nakikita natin yan. And with the Queen of Swords, this is all about rejuvenating. Ayan, so dito na natin na-attract yung mga mature na tao because you learned how to be mature. Okay? So, maybe in the past, ikaw yung tipo ng tao na ipiplease mo ng ipiplease lahat ng tao to like you, to love you. You know, yung iba, pwede dumating pa yung point na nung teenager ka, nanlilibre ka para may mga kaibigan ka, etc. Magustuhan ka nila para maging popular, etc. Pero now, hindi. You have learned to give this love for yourself. The respect that you need ay makukuha mo dahil rerespetuhin mo yung sarili mo. And that is actually big change for you. Nakita ko ng sign na like I don't know, something to do with 4. So I don't know kung ang birthday mo ba is nasa number 4 or maybe yung age mo is my number 4, like 24, 34. Anyway, or something to do with 4. And this could be a reading. Nakaamoy din pala ako ng bopis. So I don't know if you're eating bopis or you love cooking bopis or it's your favorite food. Okay lang kahit hindi. But anyway, with the Queen of Swords, yeah, you will be more mature pagdating ng 2024. And I really like this energy dahil mature in a good way, no? Kung may mga kinat off ka man, yun ay may kinalaman sa sarili mo. Pagtatanggal ng mga hindi makakabuti para sa'yo. So, yan. Thank you for watching, guys. I love you all. Please do like and subscribe to our channel, Unicorn Princess Tarot, Madam P TV, Virgo Philippines, Tapit Hapon TV, Water Sign Philippines, Madam P Vlogs, Libra Philippines. I love you all and bye-bye.